Hi, Laura Whitelaw here from Overwhelm to Empowerment. And in today's video, I wanted to address a common belief that sabotages the success for many female entrepreneurs. And that is the belief that I have to be perfect before I can be successful. So that can show up in many forms, including, oh, I'll have to lose another 10 pounds before I can be successful and launch my business. I have to make sure my website is perfect. I have to ensure that my website copy is perfect. And all of that stuff isn't true. Believe me, I have seen people from all sorts of backgrounds become successful, and I've seen people with crappy websites become successful, and many successful people with mistakes in their copy. Maybe it's powerful copy, but they have spelling mistakes or some sentences that don't make sense, and that's okay. They're still a success. So don't get hung up on those things. And so what I wanted to do today is take you through some tapping to let go of that story so that you can move forward and step into your dream life and have the success in your business that you desire. So starting at the karate chop point, even though I have this belief that I have to be perfect before I can be successful, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this belief that I have to be perfect, that I have to have the perfect website copy, the perfect lead magnet, the perfect business plan, the perfect body, whatever it is, this belief that I have to be perfect before I can achieve success, I'm open to letting it go now. Even though I have this belief that everything has to be perfect, and maybe that's because I've got some fear of criticism, I'm choosing to let all of this go now so that I can step into the success I desire. This need to be perfect, I'm open to letting it go. It's just a story. It's a story I'm telling myself. It's an excuse, maybe, that I'm giving myself for not doing what I know will bring me the success I desire. And I'm open to letting that all go. This belief that I have to be perfect, it's just a story. And maybe it stems from fear about putting myself out there and about potential criticism I might get. Because the internet can be a mean place sometimes. And I don't want to set myself up to be criticized. So I have to be perfect before I can put myself out there. I have this vow to be perfect. I can't make mistakes. It's so embarrassing to make mistakes, especially in a public forum like the internet. But I'm choosing to release this fear, and I'm open to allowing myself to be imperfect and still succeed. I can be imperfect and still succeed. I'm open to being imperfect and loving myself anyways. I'm going to forgive myself preemptively for being imperfect. I'm holding myself to a high standard that I don't hold for anyone else. And so I'm choosing to let go of this story, this belief that I have to be perfect. It's okay to be imperfect. I'm open to embracing my imperfection. There's lots of successful people out there who are imperfect. So I'm choosing to let all this go. This need to be perfect before I can step out and be visible and achieve the success I desire. I'm letting go of this need to be perfect. It's okay to be imperfect. I'm choosing to love and accept myself anyways, even if I'm imperfect. Even if I make mistakes. Even if I get criticized. It's okay to be imperfect. I'm allowing myself to be imperfect and to let go of all those fears around that. I'm open to letting this all go and embracing my imperfection. It's okay to be imperfect. Other successful people are imperfect. So maybe that's the key to success. I choose to embrace my imperfection and let go of anything that's holding me back. Okay, so take a deep breath and let it out. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you next time. Have a terrific day. Bye-bye.